Your vehicle may have a feature that helps maintain a specific speed while descending steep grades. Let me tell you about it. Hill Descent Control allows you to set a speed that your vehicle will not exceed while traveling down a lengthy hill. When activated, the feature utilizes the vehicle's brake control system to help regulate its descent, allowing you to concentrate on steering. To use it, just press the Hill Descent Control button here. You'll see a light in the instrument cluster, and a chime will sound to let you know the feature is activated. Now, using the accelerator pedal or brake pedal, bring the vehicle to your desired speed. The chosen speed is maintained once you remove your foot from the pedal. Keep in mind, maintained set speeds can only be set between 2 and 20 miles per hour. Although the system remains enabled between 20 and 40 miles per hour to assist the vehicle in its descent, it cannot, however, maintain a set speed higher than 20 miles per hour. You can adjust the speed at any time using the accelerator or brake pedal. It's that simple. It's important to remember that Hill Descent Control requires a cooling down interval after a period of time. If the system is requiring a cool down interval, you'll get a warning in the message center and hear an audible tone before it disengages. At this time, you'll be required to manually engage the brakes to maintain a comfortable descent speed. To deactivate it, simply press the Hill Descent Control button again, or it will automatically turn off when you reach a speed above 40 miles per hour or switch the ignition off. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.